Is this video or a picture? Because I'm not ready for a picture. You have to let me know ahead of time.
Yeah.
I'll pause for a picture. Just let me know. When you're ready to take a picture.
You got it.
Hi. Hi.
Hey, hey, hey.
Fuck. I don't know how to fucking beat this shit. What do you do? My fucking sandal.
Are you okay?
Yeah. What? I'm fine. I'm fine. Look at those people up there. There's no screens on the windows.
No. There's not going to be some, one of them is giant shit on the ice.
What? One of them is going to fall.
No, I know. There's going to be a giant that doesn't float.
Mercer. Mercer.
Stop looking at my ass.
That's hilarious. Are we almost home? Are we almost home?
Oh.
We're almost home.
Yes.
Tell your girlfriend.
See? I can't fix it. I'm gonna count to 30 backwards.
You can do it. You can do it.
I held my breath. I held my breath for fucking hours. I held my breath. Sugar and water. How much of that beer? She hurt me.
Sugar and water.
Now she's hitting me.
Water.
Brad, you want some water?